can you describe the COI process for CHOP-based Penn faculty? Do they need COI vetting from both institutions?
I'm happy to take that. For the most part, our CHOP-based Penn faculty, takes care of everything. So you only have to disclose to us, you work in our systems. We will share information with Penn upon request, but generally you only fill out our forms, you only have to do our training, everything happens here in-house. The one exception to that is both CHOP and Penn have faculty-based conflict of interest committees. And if you are in a clinical trial, and you have the type of conflict that would review, or potential conflict, I should say, that our committee would review, then Penn's committee will also have the opportunity to review that. I'll say that in the 12 years I've been at CHOP, we've never had a committee determination by CHOP's committee overturned by Penn's. And we have really close working relationships with their counterparts on that side, which Joanne and Diane Wender. Joanne, God, I'm blanking on her last name. Sorry, but Joanne Rosenthal and Diane Wender. And we work really closely with them, and our policies are very much aligned. So if we know that a certain matter that we are going to review is going to go to them, we'll reach out ahead of time. We'll talk about it. We'll see what precedent their committee might have, so that there aren't any surprises. And I think that our committees are very much aligned in how they approach things as well. So it's a pretty seamless process.
One of the things you're hearing here that I've had the pleasure of seeing is that within CHOP, within research administration, the different departments all work closely together. That it's not as siloed as you might think, because it looks like certain departments, but there really is this handoff. Oh, I need to talk to you, because people know what each other is doing. But there's also that relationship with Penn. So for those of you who aren't aware, CHOP is an independent institution fiscally from the University of Pennsylvania. That while our faculty are Penn faculty with Penn salaries and Penn benefits, the reality is all of our research, our support for research, all of that comes from, or just about all of it comes from CHOP. And so things get funneled separately. That's why there's sometimes a confusion between the two.